So you guys have messaged me asking me to do a competition on YouTube. I've already did one on Instagram, so here it goes for YouTube. The last video that I have posted, please go in my comment section and shoot me out your suggestion on the video that you would like to see next. Okay? You must be following all my social media page, including my YouTube channel, my TikTok, and my Instagram, Facebook as well. Then, after you have placed your suggestions in my comment section, the person with the most like will win this competition. It will be going for 4 weeks, from December the 24th to January the 14th. No one will be able to enter after December, the 24th. No one will be allowed to enter. And yes, there will only be one winner. And this time it will be $150. So get jumping in my comment section and leave your suggestion. Then get all your friends to make sure they like your comment.